In this video, I'm going to show you how to save Excel as PDF or print without cutting off data. Now, the first thing you have to do here is you want to go to the File tab and you want to click on Print. Here, I just have some completely random sales data, okay? It's generated so I can show you how this is done. And here, there's going to be two important things. The first one is this scaling bit, and then the second one is the orientation part. Now, the first thing I would do is put it on Portrait, and then I would go to the scaling part, and then no scaling for me already does kind of a good job. However, it's still like on 2 pages, okay? It's cutting off a bit of it. So I don't like this. I'm gonna go to no scaling and I'm gonna try fit sheet on 1 page. This is much better. The letters are a bit smaller. However, that's not a problem for me. I'm going to roll with this and this looks cool. Now, in your case, you may want to do fit all columns on 1 page. In case, of course, you are dealing with some different data that's formatted differently, that could work well as well. Or you could also do fit all rows on 1 page, which for me doesn't look good. However, for you it may look good and the text may be bigger. Now, there we go. I've just done it like that. It doesn't look good. Fit sheet on 1 page is what does the trick for me. Then when you're happy with this part, you want to go to the portrait orientation or just the orientation and switch it over to landscape and see which one looks better. For me, it appears as if I put landscape here, it's going to pretty much make these letters and words a bit bigger, so I'll be able to see a bit better, and that's of course what I prefer. However, if you do portrait, you can still do portrait. It's just gonna be a bit smaller, as it is in my case over here. So first play around with this scaling down here, see what works best, then go to this orientation, select the one you prefer and the one that looks best in your case, and then you can just select up here either your printer and print that out, or you could go to print to PDF and then just basically save as PDF by clicking print, and then you could just of course save it as a PDF file anywhere inside your computer. So that's how you do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.